Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. I won't let anyone hurt my comrades. Be like. True comrades stand by each other. Protecting your comrades doesn't always mean fighting. It can mean encouraging, helping, speaking up, or simply being there. 1. I won't let anyone hurt my comrades. You'll have to get through my bad joke first. Reason, humor can lighten tense moments. 2. Team first, snack seconds. Reason, loyal comrades look out for each other. 3. Nobody gets left behind. Reason, good comrades stick together. 4. Need backup. I already hear. Reason, being available builds trust. 5. Kindness is my shield. Reason, respect is a powerful defense. 6. I'll cheer louder than the critics. Reason, encouragement boosts confidence. 7. Bullies not on my watch. Reason, standing up respectfully helps others. 8. Let's solve the peacefully. Reason, calm conversation often work best. 9. Every teammate deserves respect. Reason, respect strengthens friendship. 10. No gossip allowed in our squad. Reason, trust grows with rumors. 11. I'll save you the last slice of pizza. Reason, tiny acts show you care. 12. Your victory is our victory. Reason, celebrate together. 13. I'm your biggest fan. Reason, support inspires success. 14. Take a break. I'll cover for you. Reason, helping each other matters. 15. Friendship beats drama. Reason, peace keeps team strong. 16. Let's laugh instead of argue. Reason, laughter eases tension. 17. I'm here to listen. Reason, listening is caring. 18. No teammate fights alone. Reason, unity gives strength. 19. Mistakes happen. We learn together. Reason, everyone improves with support. 20. I'll remind you how awesome you are. Reason, positive words matters. 21. Sharing is a part of the mission. Reason, generosity builds a friendship. 22. Let's fix problems, not blame people. Reason, solutions are better than arguments. 23. Everyone deserves another chance. Reason, forgiveness strengthens a relationship. 24. High five for teamwork. Reason, celebrate cooperation. 25. I brought snacks for the whole squad. Reason, sharing brings smiles. 26. We rise together. Reason, success is sweeter together. 27. Your dream matters too. Reason, comrades encourage each other's goals. 28. Let's protect each other's peace. Reason, a positive environment helps everyone. 29. Comrades today, legends tomorrow. Reason, strong friendship create great memories. 30. Together, we're stronger than any challenge. Reason, teamwork makes difficult things easier. Real comrades don't encourage harm. They encourage respect, kindness, courage, and teamwork. Stand by your comrades, lift each other up, and keep moving forward together. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.